To school. They want you to show up every day so they get a chance to see your awesome faces and they can educate you so that you can take off and be the greatest version of you in life. Now, this first chant I want to teach you. Got 6 parts to it. Here's part 1. Everybody say part 1. Okay, part 1. When you hear me say, hold up, I need you. No. When I say hold up, I need for you to put 2 hands out like this and say, wait a minute. When I say hold up, you say, wait a minute with 2 hands. Let's try it. Part 1. Hold up.
Wait a minute.
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 Okay, if you're ready for part 2, can I hear you say yes?
Yeah.
Part 2. Part 2. I say, listen closely. I say, sons, put some greatness in it. Don't stop. And then you say, get it with 2 hands. You say, get it. When I say don't stop, you say, get it. Part 2. Sons, put some greatness in it. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. So part 1 and part 2, let's review. I say hold up, you say. I say sons, put some greatness in it. Don't stop. Yes, let's practice part 1 and part 2. Let's go. Hold up. Sons, put some greatness in it. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. If you're ready for part 3, can I hear you say yes? Part 3. Part 3. When you hear me say, son, pride, that means you have pride in being a son. You have pride in going to MLK. So when I say son, pride, you cross 2 forearms like this, cross. I say son, pride, you say brace yourself. That's part 3. I say son, pride, you say brace yourself. Part 3, son, pride.
Brace yourself.
Son, pride.
Brace yourself.
Son, pride.
Brace yourself.
Son, pride.
Brace yourself.
Hold up. Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Sons, put some greatness in it. Don't stop. Son, pride. Brace yourself. Son, pride.
Brace yourself.
Are you ready for part 4?
Yeah.
Part 4. When you hear me say each one, you say reach 1. When I say each one, you put 1 in the air and you say reach 1. Part 4. When I say each one, you say reach 1. Part 4. Each one.
Reach 1.
Each one.
Reach 1.
Each one.
Reach 1.
Each one.
Reach 1.
Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Sons, put some greatness in it. Don't stop. Son, pride. Brace yourself. Each one. Reach 1. Come on. Each one.
Reach 1.
When I say each one, you say reach 1. Each one.
Reach 1.
Each one.
Reach 1.
Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Hold up.
Wait a minute.
Sons, put some greatness in it. Don't stop.
Get it.
Son, pride.
Brace yourself.
Son, pride.
Brace yourself.
Each one. Reach 1. Come on. Each one.
Reach 1.
I see you back row. I see you back row. If you're ready for part 5, can I hear you say yes? Part 5. Part 5. Part 5 is a question. Remember at the beginning I said you have greatness in you, right? And you said I have greatness in me. And then you pointed at someone else and you said you have greatness in you. So this part 5 is a question. You hear me say, we got what? And you say, greatness. Just greatness twice and you throw your arms up. I say, we got what? Greatness. We got what? We got what? We got what? Come on, we got what? Hold up. Sons, put some greatness in it. Don't stop. Son, pride. Each one. We got what? Yes, we got what? You're so great. If you're ready for part 6, can I hear you say yes? Part 6. Come on, let's go. Part 6. 6. So cute. Part 6.
Shh. Hey.
Let's go.
Okay.
Part 6. When you hear me say greatness clap, it's clap, clap, A. 2 claps and an A. When you hear me say greatness clap, it's clap, clap, A. Greatness clap. Greatness clap. Greatness clap. Greatness clap. Hold up. Sons, put some greatness in it. Don't stop. Son, prime. Each one. We got what? Greatness clap. Hey, greatness clap. Come on, hold up. Son, put some greatness in it. Don't stop. Son, prime. Each one. We got what? Greatness clap. Greatness clap.